Hi guys, happy Monday. Just catching the birds as they come in. It's very pretty. Not much of a sunset over there. Lots of birds. And a dog or two. Wow, very pretty. Oh, I can see a tree over there. It's got some of the most prettiest parrots on it, but I can't zoom in. That's where they are. A lot of them making that sound. A few bigger birds there. I wonder if you can see that tree. Little birds are out in the distance there. Just between here and that big tree in the background, that middle tree, that's where they are at. Must be something yummy there. If that's what they do, that's where they're going. But yeah, beautiful to hear. I'll come back if anything amazing happens with the sunset, but it seems a bit, just a little bit quiet out there. No, nothing much to see here, folks. Other than listening to the pretty sounds of the birds. That's really nice. Anyway, love from Brizzy here, Queensland. Love to all. Bye for now.